3.1. The question is question number 25. By using identities, evaluate the following. The first subdivision is 103 the whole power 3. So by using the identity, we are going to expand this one, which is what? 100 plus 3 the whole power 3. So by using the identity a plus b the whole cube, we are going to solve this one. So since it is asked the question by using identity, so a plus b the whole cube can be written as a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. So which implies 100 plus 3 the whole cube equals 100 cube 3 cube plus 3 into 100 into 3, then bracket 100 plus 3. And so if you are cubing this one, so the short way for cubing this 100 is, so if you are cubing this 0 becomes, we want to write it 3 times, again one more 0 3 times, then 1 cube value is 1. So 1, 3, that is 3 plus 3, that is 6 zeros, which is equal to 10 lakh. Then plus 3 cube is 27, then plus 3 into 3 is 9, 9 into 100 is 900, then 103, then 10 lakh, 36, you have to check the zeros whether you have written correctly, then plus 27, here with 9 you multiply this one, 9 3s are 27, balance 2, 9 into 0, 0, 0 plus 2, 2, 1 9 is 9, then remaining 2 zeros you add it. So 9 2 7 2 0. Okay, at last if you add all those, then you will be getting 1 0 9 2 7 2 7 you will be getting. So which is what? 10 lakh 92,727 is the cube value of 103 the whole power 3. Okay, we will go to the next subdivision, which is what? Third one, 10.1 the whole power 3. And this can be written by using the identity, that is 10 plus 0.1 the whole power 3. So using the same identity, a plus b the whole cube equal to a cube plus 3ab, sorry, a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. We are going to solve this one, which is what? 10 plus 0.1 the whole cube is equal to 10 cube plus 0.1 cube plus 3 into 10 into 0.1 into 10 plus 0.1, which is equal to 10 cube. So 0 means 3 zeros you want to use for cubing. The 1 cube is 1, that is 1000 you will be getting. Then if you are cubing this one, so for each value 0.001 will be the value. Then if you are multiplying this one, 30 into 0.1 is 3. Then 10 plus 0.1 is 10.1. So what you will be getting? 1000 plus 0.001. Then here 30 plus 30.3 you will be getting. So finally you will be getting 1030.301 is the solution of this 10.1 the whole power 3. The next question, which is what? Question number 26. 2a minus b plus c equals 0. So we have to prove that 4a square minus b square plus c square plus 4ac equals 0. So what we are going to do here is, from the given we are writing. So what is given? 2a minus b plus c equals 0. So which can be written as 2a plus c equals b. Assume this as 1. Okay. So then what we are going to do here is, so no need to assume here, then we can squaring on both sides. What we are going to do here, since it is squared, no? So squaring on both sides we get, squaring on both sides we get, okay, next, squaring on both sides we get 2a plus c the whole square equals b square. So you can expand this by using a plus b the whole square form. Here a is 2a and b is c. So it can be expanded as 2a the whole square plus c square plus 2 into 2a into c equals b square. So it can be written as 4a square plus c square plus 2 into 2 4ac. Then bring this b square to side, minus b square equals 0 it will become. So which is what we are supposed to find here according to the term what they have given. We are going to write that one in this order. So 4a square minus b square then plus c square plus 4ac equals 0 is the required solution, is the required we got the solution. The next question is question number 27. The question is, if a plus b plus 2c equals 0, we have to prove that a cube plus b cube plus 8c cube equal to 6abc. Okay. So from the given a plus b plus 2c equal to 0. So we know that from the identity, that is we know that if a plus b plus c equals 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 3abc. This is from the identity we know very well. So same like that, we are going to write this one. That is a cube plus b cube plus 2c the whole cube equal to 3 into a into b into c. So which implies a cube can be written as a cube, then b cube, then 2c the whole cube is 2 cube is 8 and c cube, which is equal to 2 into 3. That is this 3 and 2 if you multiply you will be getting 6. Right? You will be getting 6 a, b, c. So which is what we want to prove, hence proved. Only one simple identity we have used and this one which we have proved. Next question is, if a plus b plus c equals 0, then we have to find the value of a square by bc plus b square by ca plus c square by ab value. Right? If a plus b, question number 28. If a plus b plus c equals 0, then find the value of a square by bc plus b square by ca plus c square by ab. Okay. We are going to find this from the given content only. Okay. So what we are going to do here is from the given. What is given here? A plus b plus c equals 0 it is given. So we are going to do from this one we are going to bring this one. So which is what this can be written as a plus b equal to minus c, we can write this one. Okay. Cubing the above on both sides. Cubing the above on both sides, we get a plus b the whole cube equals minus c the whole cube. Okay. So we know already this one. A plus b the whole cube identity here is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b equals minus c cube. Okay. So this can be written as a cube plus b cube. Multiply this one. The same identity already you know this one. Even that way also you can write it. But I am writing this way. This, which is what? 3a square b plus 3ab square equals minus c cube. Okay. So what we are going to do here is the same thing. Okay. That is what we can write here as a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into already a plus b. What we assumed, name this as equation 1, substitute a plus b as minus c cube, which is equal to minus c cube. Using 1 we can write it, right? So in the place of a plus b, I am just substituting minus c, which we have written here as equation 1. And then what we are going to write here is a cube plus b cube minus 3abc equal to minus c cube. So next step what we are going to do here is a cube plus b cube, bring the c cube this side, it will become plus c cube, and minus 3abc if you take that to that side it will become plus 3abc, right? Okay. So we are going to take abc to this side, it will become a cube plus b cube plus c cube whole divided by abc equals 3. Okay, you can separate this one for each one. A cube by abc plus b cube by abc plus c cube by abc equals 3. So here 1a will get cancelled, here 1b will get cancelled. Excuse me. Then here 1c will get cancelled, right? So what will be left here is, which implies a square by bc plus b square by ac plus c square by ab equal to 3 is the required solution. Is the required solution. Our next question is question number 29. If x plus y equal to 4, then we have to find the value of x cube plus y cube plus 12xy minus 64. So here the question is we have to find the value in the form of cube form. So we are going to take this given, which is what x plus y the whole power 4, and we are going to cube this one since the cube value is asked in the question. So cubing, we get cubing on both sides. Cubing the above on both sides, we get x plus y the whole cube is equal to 4 power cube. So this is in the form a plus b the whole cube. That is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b, which is what x cube plus y cube plus 3 into xy into x plus y equal to 4 cube is 4 into 4 into 4, which is what? 64. So x plus y, what is given here in the question, that one we are going to substitute. Okay. So x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into 4, which is equal to 64, using given. Okay. So this can be written as x cube plus y cube, then 3 into 4 here is 3 into 4 here is, that is x cube plus y cube plus 3 into 4 here is 12xy, then bring this minus 64 this side, then it will become 0. The value of x cube plus y cube plus 12xy minus 64 equal to 0, which is what the required solution, The next question, without actually calculating the cubes, we have to find the value of 27 cube plus of minus 17 cube plus of minus 10 the whole cube, right? So what we are going to do here is, first let us check whether this, if we add these three terms, whether if it is equal to 0, then we can use the identity. So if 27 minus 17 plus of, right, if you add this 3, so which is equal to 27 minus 17 minus 10 equals 0, then 27 the whole cube minus 17 the whole cube plus of minus 10 the whole cube equals 3 into 27 into minus 17 into minus 10. So using the identity, what is the identity we are using here? Using the identity, if a plus b plus c equals 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube equals 3abc. Using this identity only we are going to solve this one. So which is what here, a is 27, b is minus 17 and c is minus 10. Okay, if you multiply this one, that is 7 3s are 21, 1 2 6 7 8, then minus into minus it becomes plus, that is, which is what, 170, which can be written as plus 170, which can be written as 1377 0. If you multiply this two, you will be getting, this is what the solution of 27 cube plus of minus 70 the whole cube plus of minus 10 the whole power 3. This is the solution for this one. Okay. Using suitable identity, find the value of 86 into 86 into 86 plus 14 into 14 into 14 by 86 into 86 minus 86 into 14 plus 14 into 14. Here we are considering this 3 as one term and this 3 as one term and this 2 as one term, this 2 as one term, this 2 as one term. Okay. So what we are going to do here is, okay, the solution is the last sum of this exercise 3.1. So which can be written as 86 cube plus 14 cube by 86 square minus 86 into 14, then plus 14 square. So we know that this 86 cube, it is in the form a cube plus b cube. So a cube plus b cube is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square by The denominator part what is given, we are writing that one, 86 square, 86 into 14, then plus 14 square plus 14 square. So we have expanded using the identity. We have expanded using the identity. A cube plus B cube equal to A plus B into A square minus AB plus B square, that numerator part. Okay. Where A equal to 86, B equal to 14. This one, this reason all most important. Okay. So what we are going to do here is this fully one term if we consider. If we consider this fully one term and this fully it is in the product. So this two will get cancelled. And what will be left? This 2 fully will get cancelled. This is the product. So 86 plus 14 will be the value will be 19 with plus, that is 100. 86 plus 14 which is equal to 100 is the solution of this given term. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment box. Please share and subscribe. Thank you.